loves, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my IPSY Glam bag here that we're going to review for March 2024. And this is a cute little bag they sent. I love it. So guys, this bag is just giving that springtime feeling. I love the pastels and blend it all in together with the little beads on the side. I like this. This is a cute bag for this month. So guys, if you are not familiar with the Glam bag, IPSY Glam bag is a $14 a month monthly subscription, and it's $1.99 for shipping and handling for your bag plus taxes based on where you live. In this bag you get 5 deluxe size samples, and sometimes it actually is a full size sample, and they do let you pick, I think, one of the samples. I think it's one of the samples we get to pick, and then they pick everything else for you based on your profile. So this is my bag for the month. We're going to get right into this bag, and I have my card here, and this month the theme is rewrite the rules. So I think that's cool. So it says, wear too much blush, make the first move, get a mismatch manicure. I like to have a little fun with my manicures. Look, just do what you want. Do what you want. Rewrite the rules. We doing that thing for March. We rewriting the rules. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out what's in this bag. And they did put the products inside this month. So we do have the products in our bag here, and it gives us like what the manufacturer value of it if it was a full size product would be. But generally everything in our IPSY Glam bag has like up to a $70 value. So let's get into it. Let's see what we got. So first thing I'm pulling out, what is this? So this is Derma Firm. I'm not familiar with this brand at all, to be quite honest with you. This is a smoothing repair toning serum, and it says ready to step into your most radiant skin yet. The repairing serum is infused with botanical wonders like eucalyptus, peptides, and niacinamide to target skin concerns like age spots, breakouts, while delivering a much needed hydration and vitamins. So the tip they give you is you would apply this morning and night, gently massage the serum into your skin. The full size value, I guess they says the deluxe size sample, we have the actual full size value is $38 of this product, and I'm gonna just pop it out of this little case that they have on here. Now, when it comes like this in a sample, it looks very sample-ish. It really does. But this is what the product looks like. We got a little tube of it to try out. I love serums. Anything with niacinamide I like. So I can't wait to give this one a whirl. But yeah, perfect size for travel. So all of you guys booking your trips, already booked your trips, you can just grab the little things in your IPSY Glam bag and run out the door with your suitcase. So yeah, I like this. So let's see what the next thing in here is. What is this product? Pacifica Glow Baby. Yeah, Pacifica Beauty Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. So this is the first step to achieving glowing skin. Keep it cleansed and smooth, of course. The brightening face wash is powered with some alpha hydroxys and vitamin C to gently exfoliate and to clean your skin. So they say you'll be left with a more refined, smooth, and radiant complexion. The full size value of this is valued at $10. So yeah, this is like a nice deluxe size. This is 1.4 fluid ounces, and I think they said, yeah, they said the actual full size is 5 ounces for $10. So this is pretty inexpensive, definitely to try out. But I haven't used this before, so I'm not familiar with Pacifica Beauty either. So that's a new brand for me in my little regimen. So I'll give this a try and see if I like it. And let's see what else is in here. Palette. We like palettes. So we have Shades of Shan. I want to say, didn't I get something from them last month? I may have. I know we see shades of sand in here all the time, and it says Life of the Party. I think this is volume 2. Volume 2. So this is a 4 palette eyeshadow. So let's take a look at what's in here. No mirror. And these are our colors that we have here. So it says ready to turn it up a notch. This eyeshadow palette knows all about that. Whether you're going for a natural look or all-out glam, this range of velvety smooth mattes and multi-dimensional shimmers will help you create something gorgeous. So the regular price for a full-size one would be $20. So they do give you some tips about blending mattes across your lid and then pack some shimmers in the center. So not bad. I like the colors. Not bad. Very yeah, you could use this. It's only, yeah, what is it? This one is actually a shimmer, this one here, but it's like a light one. It's not as shimmery as this one, for sure. This is more toned down. But yeah, I like it. So let's see what else is in here. So that was Shades of Shan, Life of the Party Volume 2. So let's see what else is in here. We have, I remember this. This is a Biro product. And I remember getting a full-size one of these, but not this particular one, but something similar to this by Biro. So this is Biro Apple Matcha Tea Clearing Toner. And I did have another one that was a tea clearing toner from Biro as well that I used, and I had a full-size one. So this is the full-size value of this is $67, which is 115 milliliters. So it says this with the power of brightening green apple and smoothing matcha green tea, this toner helps to revitalize and any puffy areas and keep puffy at bay. Also, it helps with excessive oil, and it has some mattifying silica powder in it. So it says this blend of fruit-derived acids helps to gently exfoliate, so you're left with looking and feeling refreshed. So we got a toner. So let's see. We are down to the last thing in our bag here. What do we have? So this is Dazzle Me Get a Grip. This is a makeup setting spray. Ah, nice size too. This is a multi-purpose setting spray, and it's here to help you get your makeup under control besides locking in for a long haul. It helps to keep the oil in check, smooths and treats acne and hydrates your skin. Now that's impressive. It treats acne. I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. So basically you use this like any other, setting spray. You just spray your face with it, and it says wait 1 to 2 minutes to form a film. The regular size value of this is $9. So this is another one that's inexpensive. So full size, or is this the full size? Yeah, it doesn't even say deluxe sample. So this might be the full size. It says $9. It doesn't say deluxe sample next to it. It just says full size $9. So that's not bad. But it's a little small. I would want something more. I'd rather pay more money for a bigger one. But this is great for travel, or if you're like have a little makeup bag in your car. These come in handy too. These little small items, like for if you're doing your makeup in your car, which I am very guilty of, especially going to work. If I'm running late, I have like a bag in the car with my makeup in it, and I could kind of do my makeup before I go in the building. So that is our bag. So let's see what we have. We have a setting spray. We have a facial cleanser. We have a toner. This looks like it separates it when it sits. We have a serum, and we have a palette. So that is what we got for the month of March 2024. I would say not bad. I guess the thing I like the most probably is going to be the palette out of here. And I want to try the setting spray as well. So that would be another one that I definitely would say are my top 2 to try out. The serums, that's just like you use these over time. So before you see any results, cleanser, hey, is it going to cleanse your face or not? So, same thing with the toner. You kind of got to wait on those things. So instant gratification, I would say, is definitely your makeup product. So we got 2 makeup products. But guys, that is my bag for the month. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys picked up the Glam bag this month, let me know if you got some different products than me. And if you guys are familiar with any of these products that I picked up and you used them before, go ahead and hit me up in the comments and let me know how you made out with some of these products that we got this month. But guys, until my next video, I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. If you have not already subscribed to this channel here, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what I'm getting in my subscription boxes as well as what I'm buying as well. So I love showing that here with you guys. And if you're into that kind of thing, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. But until my next one, I'll catch you on the next one.